I get it, getting lags and FPS drops in Genshin Impact, especially when you're in the middle of taking down wind operatives, can be a real pain. No worries, in this video I'll walk you through fixing these issues and getting smoother Genshin Impact gameplay on your potato. So let's dive right in. Method 1. Lower Genshin Impact's graphics quality. To do this, first open up Genshin Impact. Once you're in the game, press the ESC or escape button on your keyboard to bring up this menu. Then click on the settings icon here and switch to the graphics tab. Now change the graphics quality to medium, low, or lowest. Now click on display mode and change it to a lower resolution. After that, turn off VSync and change the render resolution to 0.9 or lower. Also, feel free to mess around with these settings a bit and find out what suits your system the best. After that, just close the game and open it back up. You should notice a bump in your FPS. Method 2. Change the power mode of your computer. To do this, open up Settings, then click on System. Next, click on Power. Now click on this little box and choose the best performance from the drop-down menu. This will boost your FPS and Genshin Impact. Method 3. Setting the high performance mode for Genshin Impact will help with these lags as well. To do this, open Settings, then click on System and then on Display. Next, scroll down a little and click on Graphics. Then from this list, click on Genshin Impact and then on Options. Now select High Performance from this pop-up window and then click on Save. Next up, hit that Genshin Impact, no space between the words, and set it to High Performance Mode 2. This will also make the game smoother by fixing the FPS drops and lags. Method 4. Closing the apps you're not using can give Genshin Impact a nice little FPS boost. So before firing up Genshin Impact, open up the Task Manager by right-clicking on the taskbar here and then selecting Task Manager. Then right-click on the apps you're not using and then click on End Task. Now fire up Genshin Impact and it should be running buttery smooth with no FPS hiccups or lags at this point. That's the scoop on fixing lags and boosting up FPS and performance in Genshin Impact on your PC. If the video did the trick for you, give that like button a little love. And if you're hungry for more Genshin Impact tips and tricks, consider hitting that subscribe button. As always, thanks a bunch for tuning in.